In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a comic strip in Microsoft PowerPoint 2025. Open PowerPoint and start with a fresh canvas by choosing Blank Presentation. To keep everything clean and uncluttered, head to the Home tab, add a new slide, and choose Blank again so you have a plain slide ready for your comic layout. Now let's build the panels. Go to the Insert tab, choose Shapes, and pick the rectangle. Click and drag to draw your first panel. You can pull from the corners to adjust the size, aiming for a consistent margin around the slide. With the rectangle selected, use the theme style options to give it a polished look. A simple light fill with a bold outline works great for that classic comic feel. Select the style you like so your panel edges are clear and readable. Repeat that process to create more panels. You can return to Insert Shapes and place another rectangle, sizing it to match the first. Apply the same theme style so everything looks consistent. You can repeat again for a third or fourth panel depending on your storyboard. If you see alignment guides, let them help you space the panels evenly for a tidy grid. With your frames in place, let's add a scene. Go back to the Insert tab and choose Icons. In the gallery, look for the Cartoon People category. Select the characters you want to feature and click Insert. Place them inside a panel and resize as needed. Angle the characters so they face each other by rotating them slightly. If one character is facing the wrong way, use the rotate option on the ribbon and choose flip horizontal to mirror them. This small tweak instantly makes the interaction feel natural. Next, add thoughts or dialogue. Return to Insert, select Shapes and scroll to the callout section. Choose the thought bubble. Draw it in the panel, then adjust the handles to resize and position it. Use the little pointer to aim the bubble toward the character who's thinking. If you need more bubbles, add them the same way. Click inside a bubble and start typing the conversation or internal monologue. Keep your text short, choose a readable font, and bump up the size so it's clear at a glance. That's it. You've created a comic strip by setting up panels with rectangles, styling them with theme options, adding characters from icons, adjusting their orientation, and finishing with thought bubbles and text. Save your presentation, and you're ready to share your story.